What's up YouTube, this is Ebelvoy and today I'd like to give you a quick update on my Swiss Army knife collection. There have been 4 editions since the last video of the collection and here they are. The first one is the Victorinox Huntsman Silvertech edition, where the main difference to the regular edition is the transparent handle scales. The tools are the same as in any Huntsman version, being a large blade and a small blade, a wood saw, scissors, a can opener, bottle cap opener, corkscrew, multi-purpose hook, and an awl on the back side, a toothpick, and tweezers, as well as a key ring can be found on the top of the knife. I've wanted to buy a Huntsman for a long time, but have put off doing so because I already have several Swiss Army knives that are equipped similar. That was until I saw this appealing Silvertech edition combined with a bargain price, so I just went for it. The next one is the Wenger Evo Grip S17, which is basically the Wenger equivalent to the Victorinox Huntsman. It features these ergonomically shaped handle scales with rubber inlays, and a large blade with a backlock, a small file, scissors, a wood saw, a bottle cap opener, and a can opener. On the back there's a corkscrew and an awl. On the top there's a toothpick, tweezers, and a key ring. I made an in-depth video about this knife which you might want to check out if you haven't already done so. The next edition is the famous Victorinox Classic SD with green handle scales. This is a very popular knife due to its size and affordable price. There are lots of different colors and patterns available for the handle scales, and if I'm not completely mistaken, Victorinox releases a new limited collector's edition of this model every year. Now, showing you the tools, you have of course a blade and a file with a screwdriver tip, hence the name Classic SD. SD stands for screwdriver. On the other side there are some tiny scissors, and you have the well-known tweezers, toothpick, as well as a key ring. The knife comes in this plastic sheath, which is not the best quality. The seam on the bottom already came apart just by having the knife in it. So on the other hand, these can be bought separately for 25 cents, or in a Soon leather version for €1, so it's not much of a big deal. The next edition is a bit exotic, as it is not quite a Swiss Army knife as you may know it. It's the so-called Swiss Card Classic, designed to fit the credit card compartment of your wallet. But there are lots of good tools on it that may come in very handy. The first is a small blade, but due to the very short handle, it can only be used for very light tasks like letter opening and such. Next is the scissors with a little weird handle construction. I'm not sure how these are intended to be held properly, but somehow they can be used. On the other side you find a small file with a screwdriver tip. Not sure if a nail cleaning tip would have been more appropriate here. Next is again the well-known tweezers and the toothpick, as well as a ballpoint pen. On the top edge is a ruler, both in centimeters and in inches. And I almost forgot the pin, which sticks right beside it. All in all, it's a fun thing to carry and a good conversation starter, as the Swiss card is by far not as popular as a Swiss Army knife. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to put out videos on a regular basis. Thanks again, and see you around.